Hey everybody, it's good to see you today. My name is James Caruth. I'm one of the PE teachers here at St. Tammany Parish School Board. And I mainly teach kindergarten through 3rd grade. Today I'm here to give you an outdoor, indoor, create your own lesson that you can do yourself at home. This is one that I created. It's called an obstacle course. Now the cool thing about an obstacle course is even though that I made this one that we're going to do today together, you can make your own whenever you want, however you want, with whatever you want. So I'm making this one pretty simple today, having only chalk, some pieces of paper, and a bucket. 3 things, and yourself. So when we go through it, we're going to talk about what an obstacle course is, what you do with it, how to create it, and all of those things that make it whole. So let's go ahead and let's do a warm-up to get going. Warm up to get our body moving, the blood moving in our muscles, and to stay active as well, which is super important to do during these times. First one is the jumping jacks. Hands start at your side as a slap, and then you come all the way up, feet are apart, and a clap at the top. Come back down. Let's do it's called a clap, slap, and a jumping jack. Ready? Let's do 10 together. Make sure you get ready, feet together, and go. 1, 2, make sure your hands clap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are done with those. Next one, feet, shoulders width apart, shoulders nice and out, hands behind your head. We're going to do a squat, like you're going to sit on a chair, all the way down. All right, let's do 10 together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Now we're going to do one more stretch. Since we're in this spot, stretch out the back of our legs. All right? Hands at the top. Let's reach down. Let's count 5 on this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and over. Same thing. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big stretch in the legs. And now let's get our arm circles, all right? And we're going to do big circles forward and then backwards. That's also known as clockwise and counterclockwise. Ready? Forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are done. You did a great job. Now, let's learn about how to do this. Now, what I did, let me get it. So you can see, this is the obstacle course I created, okay? Now, you don't have to draw it out. I drew it so you can see it and then put it down on the ground. But this is the one that I made. Let you look at it for one more second. Now, the thing about it is, you can make it up as you go. But let's do mine today, all right? Remember, you can change any of these things. So we'll talk about that at the end. Let's go through the course together as well. So you can see what to do. And then you can draw it out and do it yourself. So watch me do it, and you can practice your footwork as well. So watch me go through the ladder. There's a ladder throughout. When we go through the ladder, you're going to go on 1 foot to hop. You can jump on 2 feet. All of those through the ladder. You're going to finish the ladder and you're going to shoot the basketball, or a trash ball because it's a piece of paper. A trash ball shot, you're going to get our frog jumps and do some big jumps on the lily pads, doing some frog and animal movements. In the back corner, we're going to do some push-ups. With the push-up all the way down, all the way up. Good form, good development, good muscles. Walking on our balance beam. We're going to do some high knees or running in place, some touching their numbers, and one more target throw as well. So today we're working on time, we're working on speed, and we're working on the ability to make it land in it. So let's watch it. When we go through, we're going to go on the ladder. We're going to do 2 feet right here. We're going to jump 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Use your hands too. It helps you go through it. All right, so I went through and watch one more time. You can do it on 1 foot. Hop, 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 hop. All right, 1 time through. When you get down here, we have 5 pieces of paper. With these pieces of paper, you are going to try and toss it into one of the trash cans, or a bucket, or whatever you grab. A basket, a dirty clothes hamper, anything that you have that's going to catch the ball. Stand in the circle. Now I got one close to me, that's a lot easier to make it in. Or I can throw it real far into the further one. Remember, the further away it is, the harder it's going to be. So you decide what you want to do and what you're going to be good at doing. So I'm going to try for the first one. It's a little bit easier. I shoot it. Great job for me. See if you can do it as well. Alright, so one more time. Here we go. Throw it all the way to the back. Last one. Oh, too far. That's okay. I'm going to try again. See if I can make it in. Oh, I missed again. So I'm going to say, let's try the easier one. Made it again. So 1 plus 1, I now have 2 points here. I'm going to try for the last one, a real far one. Big throw. Just a little bit short. That's okay though. So I move on. Now I'm on the frog hops, and I'm going to go through. Remember, we need to touch the ground, jump up like a frog to the next one here. Big jump, land. Big jump, land. Big jump, land. Big jump, big jump, big jump. We made it all the way through the frogs. Now we're going to go to our push-up. From the push-ups, we're going to go all the way up and all the way down. When we do that, body's in a flat plank position. Bring your arms down, push up with your chest and arms. Just like that, all the way up, all the way down. Let's try to do those push-ups together. All right, so all the way down, we're gonna do 5. Count with me and do it with me. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm done. We're moving on to our obstacle course. And it's the balance beam. So 1 foot on top of the other. I'm going to take my time and really try and walk on it. Can't cheat, can't fall off, can't run through it. Got to go toe or heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe. I'll try and speed it up just a little bit here, going through. Remember, you have wavy pathways, whoop, almost fell, and zigzag pathways. Made it. Now right here, we're going to be doing some high knees. A high knee, drive your knee up. Drive, 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 drive. Just like that. Now, I have 30 written. Sometimes you're going to get out of breath. Take a breath. Breathe for a second. Now let's do our high knees together. Ready? Drive your knee up. Bring it down. Drive your other knee up. Let's try doing 30 together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We did it. You did it. You're doing a great job so far. Now, next spot, second to last thing. We're almost done. The counting. All right? What you're going to do is you're going to touch each number, 1 through 10, in that order. So I touch 1. I'm going to need to look for number 2. Number 2, 3, 4. Here's number 5. Oh, now number 6 is confusing. 6s and 9s are upside down. You know what I think? This is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the last thing. This is newspaper. With a piece of newspaper, crumple it up. We're going to throw it to our target. 5 points in the blue ring, 10 points in the green ring, and 25 points in the middle ring. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. An underhand toss, point step, and toss. Let's see. Oh, rolled all the way to the 5. Now if you remember, how many points did I have? Only made 2 earlier. So can we do the math there? If we have, set these down. We had 5 points there, had 2, add together, we now have 7 points. I got 2 more throws, let's make it count. Oh, made it in the last one. That's 25 points. So, 25 plus 7, do the math. What are we at? I believe that should be 32. One more time, go again. Oh, if you look, it's right on the edge. Doesn't count. That's still only 10 points. A total of 32 plus 10, 42 points overall. That's awesome. So, you have completed the course. You did an awesome job. I think I did an awesome job, but I really want you to practice and make it up. So through this course, I just went through the whole thing. You watched me do it, so I want you to think. If you go through the ladder, do I have to do a ladder? No, do whatever you want. You can have some rope, you can put down pieces of tape, you can find some sticks from outside. When you get right here and you're doing the throw, maybe you don't have some pieces of paper, maybe you didn't have any trash and the newspaper didn't come by. You could try using a stuffed animal. Maybe you went to a parade and got one of those. That works fine. Maybe you actually want to shoot basketball and do that. Awesome, I love that idea. That would be so cool to do. You could try kicking a soccer ball. All of those are going to be great ideas. So this is my obstacle course. Again, the cool thing about an obstacle course is that you can do whatever you want it to be for yourself. This is the one I created. I think it's super awesome, so this is what I want you to do. Now that you saw me do it, I showed you the picture of it. Either create your own, or remember the one I did, write it down, and then go do it yourself. See how well you did. See how well you go through the course, how fast you can do it, how many points you can get, and then challenge everybody in your family to see who can do the best. So remember, I'm James Caruth. I'm one of the PE teachers here in St. Tammany Parish. I want to say thank you for watching it. I also want to encourage you to watch any of the other really related ones. There are going to be some other awesome PE teachers doing the same thing, other ones like this that get you active. Excuse me. I want you to tune in to STPPS TV or StTammanyParishSchoolBoard.org and check on these to see if there's any other ones. So, again, I loved having you today. It was an awesome time. I love doing it. I want you to have a good time as well. So just remember, again, this is our obstacle course for you. You can do it. I did it. Great job having you today. So long. See you later.